Morning grade 6 or afternoon I think by the time you watch this. This video is talking you through how to gather your results. I'll make another video that talks you through exactly what to do with those results. All you need to do for this one is follow my steps and then record your results on either a piece of paper or write them in your OneNote or something like that, so that you can then have those results. Each member of the group needs them, and then you watch the second video and it will talk you through how to process those results. So the first video I sent you tells you how to make your parachute. So all you need to do now for this experiment is measure with a meter stick the dimensions. So you need to do one side, and then you need to do a second side. So you write down the two lengths of the sides. So just measure those and record them. I would say go from the knot to the other knot to get those lengths. That will then tell you the size. Oh, I've broken it. That will then tell you the size of the parachute. Let me just try and reattach my block of wood. Dropped it. Oh no. Hopefully that'll work for this. Then what you do is you're going to go up the steps here, up to the top, and you hang it over the edge, and you then get some results. Is that going to stay? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go up and record them. The second person that's waiting down here is going to get their timing device. I have some stop clocks if you don't have your phone, but you're then going to time it. You're going to do a 3, 2, 1, and the person up there drops it. And then you time it until the little weight hits the floor. You'll notice when I go upstairs to drop it that I have the little weight hanging at the same height as the rail. So I will hold up my parachute using the parachute with my hand inside it, and I'll have the piece of wood at the same height as the rail, but out so it doesn't touch it. That's important because I've measured the height. I've told you it's 3 meters. I've measured it to the rail. I hung a piece of string over, let the string hang down till it touched the floor, and then kept hold of that rope, and that's how I measured the height of it. That's how I found out it was 3 meters high. So you need to do it from that rail, otherwise you'll be dropping it from a different height and your times will all be wrong. Yeah? So the piece of wood must be at the height of the rail when you start the timer and drop it, and then you stop the timer when the piece of wood hits the floor. That way the parachute has moved 3 meters. If you start too high or too low, you're not moving 3 meters, you're moving a different distance. Okay? So that's how that experiment will work. We're going to repeat each size 3 times, and then you're going to chop a bit off, make it smaller, measure it, and repeat that size 3 times. And we're going to do 3 different sizes 3 different times. Yeah? And that'll be your experiment. I'm just going to go up, I'm going to drop this one and time it. So my first measurement for the large size parachute was 8.43 seconds. I'll write that down, change the size of do it 2 more times, then change the size of the parachute, do a medium size one 3 times, and do a small size one 3 times. So 3 different sizes, 3 different timings, 3 different repeats. That'll get me some good results. And the next video will show you how to process those results. And you'll have my results for those of you at home that perhaps didn't get results.